Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Top Cars TV. Today we've got something seriously exciting lined up, because we're diving deep into the all-new 2026 Chevrolet Nova SS 454, a name that instantly brings muscle car history roaring back to life, but with a thoroughly modern twist. So buckle up as we break down what makes this car such a potential game-changer in the performance car world. From the moment you lay eyes on the 2026 Chevrolet Nova SS 454, it's clear that Chevy wasn't aiming for subtle, because the exterior design perfectly blends retro muscle attitude with sharp modern aggression, featuring a wide and low stance, an assertive front fascia with a blacked-out grille, aggressive air intakes, and slim LED headlights that give the car a menacing glare, while the sculpted hood proudly hints at the big block power underneath. The flared wheel arches house massive performance wheels, and the bold SS badging combined with classic Nova-inspired body lines makes this car feel like a respectful tribute to the past without looking outdated. And around the back, the muscular haunches, quad exhaust tips, and modern LED taillights finish off a design that looks fast even when it's standing still. When it comes to performance, this is where the Nova SS 454 truly earns its legendary badge, because under the hood sits a thunderous 454 cubic inch V8 engine, reimagined for 2026 with modern engineering, delivering an estimated 600+ horsepower and brutal torque that hits hard and fast, paired with either a slick shifting 6-speed manual for purists or a lightning-quick 10-speed automatic for maximum acceleration, launching this muscle monster from 0 to 60 in around 4 seconds, while advanced suspension tuning, adaptive dampers, and a performance-focused chassis help keep all that power under control, making the Nova SS 454 not just a straight-line beast but also surprisingly composed through corners, proving that this isn't just a nostalgic throwback. It's a serious modern performance machine. What really sets the 2026 Chevrolet Nova SS 454 apart are its unique selling points, because this car isn't just about raw horsepower, it's about delivering an emotional driving experience that few modern cars can match, combining classic American muscle character with cutting-edge technology, offering customizable drive modes that let you switch between calm daily cruising and all-out performance, an active exhaust system that lets the engine truly sing when you want it to, limited slip differential tuning for better traction, and a driver-focused interior that balances retro-inspired design cues with modern digital displays, all while carrying a legendary nameplate that instantly resonates with enthusiasts who crave something bold, loud, and unapologetically powerful in a world that's rapidly going quiet. Despite its muscle car roots, Chevrolet hasn't ignored safety, and the 2026 Nova SS 454 comes packed with a full suite of modern safety features designed to keep both performance and peace of mind in check, including advanced traction and stability control systems, high-performance Brembo brakes with large ventilated discs, multiple airbags throughout the cabin, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, lane departure warning, forward collision alert with automatic emergency braking, and a reinforced chassis structure that improves rigidity and crash protection, proving that even a high-powered muscle car can meet modern safety expectations without dulling the driving experience. Now let's talk about price, because a car like this naturally raises the question of affordability. And while official numbers may vary by market, The 2026 Chevrolet Nova SS 454 is expected to start somewhere in the range of $55,000 to $65,000 depending on transmission and performance packages, which positions it competitively against other high-performance muscle cars, especially when you consider the level of power, heritage, and modern tech you're getting, making it a tempting option for enthusiasts who want maximum performance without stepping into supercar-level pricing. To wrap things up, the 2026 Chevrolet Nova SS 454 feels like a bold statement from Chevrolet, a reminder that muscle cars still have a place in the modern automotive world, blending iconic design, massive V8 power, advanced performance tech, and everyday usability into one thrilling package. And if this car delivers on its promise, it could easily become a modern legend, appealing to both longtime Nova fans and a new generation of drivers who want something raw, exciting, and full of character. And if you're someone who believes driving should stir your soul every time you turn the key, the Nova SS 454 might just be the car you've been waiting for.